Hello everyone, in this video I will show you 3 websites that you can earn hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. Just make sure to watch all the video so you can start making money. One of the largest affiliate network called Digital24. You can sell and promote digital products, software, events, or physical products. Click to affiliate. You'll see this page. The commission is up to 70% and 8,000 more than 8,000 products in the marketplace, and sales generated is 250 million in 2019. So all you have to do is go to register now. Then you will see this page. You can register here by typing all this information. Click affiliates because you want to promote links. You want to be affiliate. If you want to build your product, you can click vendor and affiliate. So follow your information here. Then once you register, you will see this dashboard. You can see your daily earning here, daily earning chart. So if you want to promote to be affiliate or to promote a product, go to marketplace and all offer in the market. Then for example, here you can promote this product or service, you get commission 92%. Also here you can promote this. They have many products here. So here if you click promote, you will get the link, then you will get 75% commission. So for example here, my link, if I give it to my friends or put it in my social media account, then once they click on it and buy this product, I will get commission 92% commission, which is $45. So all you have to do is get this link and put it in your social media account and YouTube channel or any form that you like. Then once people buy this product, you will get commission. If you want to cash out, you can go here and click payout account. You will see this page. Then the good thing, they have a PayPal, so you can cash out through PayPal account. Okay, in this website I will show you how to make $200 or more. All you have to do is click free sign up here and you will see this page. Type your username, password, your email, and click the green one, create account. Then you will see this page. Click affiliate and click offer. You will see plenty of product. For example, this product is $43. If you promote this product, you will get commission $5.7. So always look for higher commission. For example, here this product is $1,500, $400. So if you promote or being affiliate, you will get $200 as a commission. So all you have to do is request your link. Once you get your link, share it in your YouTube channel or your social media, and once someone buy that product, you will get commission $200. It's easy to get money through this website called Swagbucks by earning points. Then you can redeem them by get free gift cards, which is Walmart or Amazon, or you can get cashback from PayPal. They have paid over $425 million to their members. All you have to do is join for free, type your email, password, then confirm it, then click sign up. Then you will see this page. Click answer. You will see the surveys that you can do. You can earn 40 points, 50 points, 100 points, or you can earn 2 points for every 10 questions. You don't have to read them. It doesn't take 30 seconds. Then you will earn 2 points. Go to the left and click shop. You can shop online. Once you purchase something, you will earn points. Also, you can go to discover. You can complete an offer here and get 3,000 points, up to more than 3,000 points, or here you can earn 2,800 points. It's easy to get these points. It's very easy. You can play games, but now currently they don't have a games. Usually they uploaded games every day. Then if you want to redeem your points, go to redeem your points. Then you can redeem them through Amazon gift card, or through PayPal. Once you have 2,500 points, you will get 25, or 5,000 points, you will get $50. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe eCash channel. See you in the next video.